Hello guys, welcome back in today's crypto technical analysis. Today, as usual, we do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC, and we're going to look at the Ethereum price action and the altcoin market cap. However, before we start, as usual, I've got a small request. If you guys are learning and enjoying from the contents, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. As I mentioned in the previous videos, that $19,200 and $500 are going to be extremely important on the weekly time frame. However, we've got 1 day plus to close the current weekly time frame. At the same time, we've got this pitchfork that we're following in the last over 6 months. As soon as the price came at around here, we mentioned that from the $25,000 multiple time frame resistance, rejection from there, again retested 618 line. And then once we broke and we saw another decent pump, which was at $21,200 and $300, expected the rejection, and we came right to this level, and we held this level 15,500-ish, and a bit of consolidation, couple of weeks, and we started pumping in the last few days. At the same time, I shared this fixed range. As you can see, to the dollar, we held a couple of weeks of consolidation. As soon as we broke the point of control, then we started pumping on the lower time frame as well as the mid time frame. I'm still following the same levels, and value area low is going to be extremely important in order to hold this level. So I'm still holding my bias below value area low, but we've got other levels as well around here, $19,200-ish, and breaking this level, losing this level will give us the midterm target. As you can see on the daily time frame as well as the weekly, losing $60,000 gave us first leg down, a bit of consolidation with a fake out on the $48,000, and then we had second leg down. We came all the way up to, in the first place, 17,500, all the way up to 15,500. And in here, and $17,500-ish, 786 Fibonacci level, as I mentioned, I'm not paying too much attention. We've got important lower levels below us. Since then, overall, in the first place, we dumped 70% all the way up to nearly 75% with the current price action over 65% dump in the market. However, between $52,000 and $48,000, we had a single resistance and average. If you calculated it from 65% all the way up to 60, nearly 70% dump with our current price action, 58% dump in the market. Moving on to a daily time frame. Daily time frame, as I mentioned, that as long as we break $19,200 and $500, daily time frame will be under the bull's control. As I said, the daily time frame moved back under the bull's control. However, we don't have a trend change, and as I said, we'll have to do a fake out test on the daily time frame. So make sure we do not get trapped the way people got trapped at around $48,000. So at this stage, $19,200 and $18,900 are going to be extremely important on the daily time frame. Losing this level, highly likely, as I said, still I'm holding my bias. The price action will come and test below 14,000 all the way up to $13,200 and $300. However, it is slightly early for us to talk about it, and we'll have to do further analysis with the lower time frames. Moving on with our analysis. Total 3, where you're going to exclude BTC and Ethereum, you will get the rest of the altcoins market cap. As expected, once we lost this level, retested it, and we met the target number 1, and ultimate target, I'm still holding my bias, as I said, target number 2 for the midterm. And as soon as we held the target number 1, as I said via Twitter, that's going to be local resistance you have to keep an eye on, and at the same time, 340 billion is going to be your next target. So this target also met, and at the moment we're seeing from this support. By the way, these support and the resistance levels we are following over 6 months now. So these support levels will act as a resistance. So at the moment, this resistance is extremely strong, and the higher time frame still heavily under the bear's control, and you have to keep an eye on to this level, which is going to be 362 all the way up to 355 billion, and I'm expecting in the coming days slight rejection and consolidation around here. As long as we're going to stay this local resistance, which is going to act as a support, that's going to be at around 320, then we might see consolidation and we will do a further analysis. However, losing this level based on a higher time frame as well as the mid time frame, that will lead us back into this target number 1 and followed by the target number 2. Moving on with our Ethereum analysis, as soon as price action was here and as expected, where you could have had a tight stop loss, and as you can see, that was a setup, retested it perfectly, and we took it long. That was your target number 1, as well as the target number 2, And as I said last night via Twitter, the trend looks quite strong and we reached to our target number 3. And overall, that provided 27 out, which is a massive over 20% profit. And all the target levels are met. And as I said in the update, in the first place, 1460, 1410, all the way up to 1375 levels are extremely important. For the market and instant updates, you can follow me via Twitter at @the_magnate. So as I said, in the first place, that you have to keep an eye on around this region, as long as we're going to be above 1450 level. That's the first support, which is extremely important support, all the way up to 1375 levels. These are the extremely important support level as well. And that's a confluence with a, as you can see, green line. Before we move on with the BTC analysis, if you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8. And 101 intense masterclass is available, where you're going to learn how to become a profitable and professional trader in the market. And it only takes you 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. BTC analysis. As soon as we stayed above this support level, we started scalping all the way up to this level. That was a target number 1, as well as target number 2 was a mirror image of the Fibonacci level that you can see, 382. We cleared both of the target levels. As soon as we broke the target number 1 and 4-hour time frame flushed, as well as the 2-hour started flashing a bullish setup. However, as I said, we have to be careful at around here with the consolidation. And as you can see, with the target number 3, which is this resistance level, and then also the next target level, the daily resistance, and then 19,500 was the next one. At the same time, yesterday I gave this update that's going to be an important target level. This daily, which is going to be extremely important, $21,300. This target also met. We have to be careful in this daily. As long as we're going to hold the mid and high time frame support, then the daily time frame will provide a bullish setup. However, based on a 4-hour time frame, as you can see from the scalping, without getting an exit signal, one by one we cleared the target levels, and then last night we cleared the local higher time frame, the target. That provided 30%, and that's a over 20-hour trade with a stop loss below the local low, as well as you had a support level which we held perfectly, and we started pumping. As I said, 2-hour as well as the 1-hour time frames are heavily under the bull's control, and I'm not going to cover on this episode. However, as long as we're going to be below, ideally between 20,800 all the way up to $21,200, highly likely the price action will come in the coming days, consolidate, and then we'll find all the way up to 19,600 and 19,400 in the first place. As long as we do not lose this level, it's going to be early for us to talk about this daily level and then 618. Losing this level is going to be a bit panic in the market again. That may lead a trend change in the market. However, I will make an update in the next video or via Twitter. And we came to an end of this episode. And if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.